Today we make halwa. Wow!
In a pan, put the cream collected at home about half a kg. Cook on low flame and keep stirring the spoon constantly. Cook till ghee separates. When the ghee separates, reduce the flame completely and strain the ghee in a bowl. Now add half kg jaggery and half cup water. Keep stirring it continuously with a spoon and melt it. When it melts, take some water in a bowl and add a few drops to check it. When the drops settle like pearls in the bowl, the syrup is ready. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of semolina. Sift and mix well and soak it for 5 to 6 hours. Then remove the water very carefully and mix well. Now add this mixture to the syrup. Mix well. Now add a cup of desi ghee to it. Now cook it, like this. When the ghee starts to separate, add white sesame seeds, char nuts, raisins, and almonds as per your choice. Mix well. Now the halwa is ready. Thanks for watching.